we go, the new State Street lane. State Street, new protected lane, and the entire street was done over. Obviously, first impressions, you know, the surface is a zillion times better. State Street was one of the worst. And as you can tell, we're on the left side. So the protected lane, portions of it are protected, is on the left side. There's some barriers you can see right there on the right. You know, the surface is great, no doubt about it. We'll see what happens when we come up here to this main intersection where the T is. So I got green. The Allsy for the pedestrians here, this intersection at Congress and State. And then you see it gets us into the left side, a painted lane on the left-hand side. And we'll stop here at this red light. And then after that, it's not really clear where it wants you to go. Now, we got green now, so we'll go ahead and actually navigate this. There's nothing here, but I know the lane's on the right. So without any traffic right now, I'm drifting over to the right. And we tuck in behind here. So there's the new State, right there at the T. Not real clear where you want us to go, how we're gonna shoot over to the right. But other than that, it's definitely got a protected lane for most of it, and the surface is excellent.